Bleed air and electrical power are required for engine starts. Bleed air turns the starter motor. The sources of bleed air for engine starts are the APU, a ground air cart, or the other engine. Today we will use the APU to supply the starter air. Electrical power opens and closes the engine start valve. Each engine has two igniters. The AC transfer bus supplies power to the left igniter, and the AC standby bus supplies power to the right igniter. The engine start lever has two positions. The cutoff position de-energizes the ignition system and closes the engine fuel shutoff valve and the spar fuel shutoff valve. The idle position energizes the ignition system through the EEC. Electrically opens the spar fuel shutoff valve, and electrically opens the engine fuel shutoff valve through the EEC. Controls for the engine start and ignition system are on the engine start panel. The ignition select switch has three positions. Ignition left and ignition right select the related igniters for the two engines. The both position selects the left and right igniters for each engine. Each engine start switch has four positions. When the engine start switch is moved to the ground position, the start valve opens and the engine bleed air valve is given a signal to stay closed. The start valve open alert illuminates on the engine display to show the start valve is open. For ground starts, the EEC arms the selected igniter. For in-flight starts, the EEC arms the left and right igniters. In the continuous position, the EEC arms the selected igniter. In the flight position, the EEC arms the left and right igniters. The continuous and flight positions have no effect on the position of the start valve or the engine bleed valve. This is a review of the engine start and ignition system. Touch each control to show information. When finished, touch the green arrow.